Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Bluetooth pairing mode on your Tagry Bluetooth wireless earbuds. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have the Tagry earbuds. How do you actually go ahead and turn it into Bluetooth pairing mode? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So with your Tagry headphones, what you want to go ahead and do in order to turn it into Bluetooth pairing mode is that you actually just want to open the case and leave it open. If you see the number here, that means it's still in Bluetooth pairing mode, but if the number disappears, that means it's been disconnected. Now oftentimes the reason why it won't go into pairing mode is because it's already connected to one of your mobile devices or a laptop or another computer. So do make sure that before you turn it into Bluetooth pairing mode, you want to make sure that it's not connected to any other device just yet. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and put your Tagry Bluetooth headphones into Bluetooth pairing mode. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.